Okay, so we are now going to develop the storytelling circle by introducing sound effects. So you're going to start this story off, Kellyanne. Take it away. One sentence at a time still, folks. Here we go.
Quick, I need to hurry. Why did I hit my bag? I need to get out of the house now. I'm going to be late for the coach.
She thought, as she rushed around her house frantically, trying to find what she needs.
Oh my goodness. I've got to get out of the house as quickly as possible. Oh, there's my bag. Okay, and I'm off.
Damn it, she thought just as the door slammed. She'd forgotten to put the cat food in the bowl.
Oh no! The cat! He's following me! Help!
She decided to turn around and put the food in the bowl before leaving.
She was already late. The bus was leaving in 2 minutes and she wasn't even at the stop.
Oh, am I going to get the bus? Wait, wait, wait!
She ran full pelt towards the bus stop, shouting for it to stop. Thankfully, a strange, particularly charming figure had asked the bus driver to wait for her.
She jumped on.
Phew.
She was still staring at the tall guy with the dark hair and the lush green eyes.
Thank you, she said, out of breath, slightly sweaty, and very dishevelled.
But my goodness, who was this hunk that had appeared before her? She couldn't get over how handsome he was.
It's not a problem at all, he said. I'm just trying to help.
I love him, she thought to herself. I want him to take me into his loving arms.
The coach pulled away.
She watched him as the bus drove away. He was stood at the edge of the pavement, just looking at the bus, at her.
Oh, where are you going, my fair maiden? Oh, such a brief encounter.
A thought quickly occurred to her. She ran to the driver and asked, "What was that last stop?"
Mellow Road, the driver announced.
It immediately made her think back to a marshmallow.
She sat down and continued to her stop, where she stayed on the bus instead of getting off, and went back round.
Because she thought if she did a round trip, he may still be there when she got back.
Alas, the bus stop was empty, save a dusty newspaper blowing back and forth.
As she got off the bus, the audio announcements came on.
The owner of the red jacket left on the Mellow bus stop. Please go to the bus station.
He was wearing a red jacket. Maybe he'll be there. I'll go to the bus stop.
She suddenly started to feel very excited, but she couldn't allow her feelings to run away with her.
She gulped down butterflies
Oh,
quickly flitted over to the bus, the lost and found.
She arrived at the bus stop. Suddenly a voice shouted,
Oi!
And she looked around, and there he was, with his red coat, and his green eyes, and his hair.
she just couldn't believe her luck. She thought she'd seen him just for one time, but here he was again. Oh,
She approached him and tried to speak. Hello, she said timidly.
The boy said nothing, just stared into her eyes.
She quickly went in her handbag, rummaged, grabbed a pen and a piece of paper.
But when she looked up, there was another girl, stood next to him. She didn't see her before, but now she did. They were holding hands.
oh, she felt a surge of disappointment. Surely, no. Oh, oh, she started to cry.
The filters of the world had shattered around her. She dropped her hands to her sides, dropping the pen and paper. It did have her number on it, but it didn't matter anymore. She ran back towards the bus stop.
Suddenly, her phone rang.
Bring, 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 bring.
She answered, and on the other end of the phone was the guy from the bus station.
You dropped this card with your number on it. It has some important information about your cat on it. I just rang to say that we've got it if you want it.
Oh, thanks, she said.
He then said, my sister and I are staying at, and gave the address.
She went running back to the bus stop, where she found the car. Is everything okay? She asked.
The guy asked her out to dinner that very evening.
She went. It was terrible. He ate his food like a monkey, and it was really messy, and he smelt a lot, so yeah.
The bubble was burst.
Okay.
After dinner, when he'd finally swung down from the rafters, she tried very quickly to make an exit.
She decided that she was just going to chill. She was going to bath the cat.
Oh.
She made up her excuse and quickly left.
Okay, let's round that up.
Nasty cat.
Well done. Well, that
Well, no, you don't
story.
usually bath cats, Molly. I mean,
Well, you can in the story.
okay.
We, I think we all went more than one sentence at times, didn't we? So we weren't.
I just
There was
wanted to make
an
a
element
lot.
of artistic license, I think, in that storytelling exercise. But well done on the sound effects. I think it will be interesting to hear this footage back and hear how the body percussion and stuff actually enhance the story. But good suggestion there, Kellyanne, thank you.